The best cookie recipe ever is also my favorite cookie. The most underrated cookie, the oatmeal raisin cookie. What other cookie can you eat for breakfast guilt-free? 3 eggs and whisk them well. We need 1 cup of raisins, but I always measure them with my heart. Add the raisins to your egg, and measuring with my heart, I just like to make sure there's maximum raisins in these eggs. I would say I have 1.5 cups here, if not 1.75 cups. Get them all entirely coated with the egg. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. That is measured with your heart. One last time, ensure all the raisins are entirely doused with the egg. Set this to the side for at least 30 minutes. Don't skip this step. 2.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Whisk together and set to the side. 1 cup of room temperature butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Mix until nice and creamy. Once that butter and sugar is creamed together, you're going to add the dry ingredients into that mixture. You're not going to use your mixer this time. Wooden spoon and combine the dry into the wet. It's not going to fully combine because there's not enough moist to the wet ingredients. Add 2 cups of oats. I'm using quick cooking oats, and get those oats worked in as best you can. Those raisins that you've had soaking in the eggs, they are beautifully plumped. Add that into our dry ingredients. Get this worked in. We're working with a dry and crumbly cookie dough. A cookie scoop is not going to work, so I use a large tablespoon and I form the cookie shape ball with my hands. 40 cookies are going to bake at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. 11 minutes later, and these are baked to perfection. I guess I just never really grew out of milk and cookies. I dies for a warm cookie. Dies for it. There's nothing better. Holy sweet baby shitballs. Now don't be a sucky baby and say you don't like raisins. Try these cookies.